Okay. Let me just check some. Let me just make sure that I got that. Make sure that I got mine. This is streaming for everybody. Yeah, that'll be great. I ain't got no time to wait for that stream to come up and no dreams to come up. Yeah, something might come up. Yeah, so I might just go somewhere. And I don't care. Oh yeah, and the music's playing. Come on, this is great. Wow, okay, so I could really go ahead and teach this lesson real quick. Let me get this out of here. Yeah, so check it out. I want to learn Vue, so I figured the only way that'll be right is to actually learn it live on the fly. So I got two things going here. I got the Vue documentation here, right here. This is on my other screen, and on my laptop screen I have CodePen, which is where I code everything. So how we're gonna start this, we're gonna go to create here, new pen, the blue one at the top. Everything else you gotta pay for, so we just create a new pen. Alright, so here we got your basics of coding. You got your HTML right here, your CSS right here, and your JavaScript right here. Let me see, change this up. Your JavaScript, so you got your HTML right here, your CSS here, JavaScript here, and then your output is here. So anything you put into this little HTML spot is gonna pop up there. Like I'm gonna say, "Hello, sir," and watch down here, "Hello, sir," pop up. It's a pretty small screen. Let's see. Can people see that? Wow, that's so clean. Just enjoy this first one. This is the first one. Man, this looks good. Alright, so you'll see "Hello, sir" popped up here. Alright, so let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can get away with here. So over here I got two things. I got the Vue documentation here, and then I got a Vue course that I got from Vue School, and then I got some courses I got from Udemy. So we deep. We can turn this music down real quick. It's not that important. Let's see what I listen to. This is just some jazz tronica. Yeah, that's more my kind of vibe. Alright, so anyways, let's just get this going. So here, what do we got? So here in the Vue School, I see that they have it's just a basic web layout. They have the head here, they have the title there. Everything in the head, you could just, it's not even that important. Like, you could just skip straight to the body. So the body, this first div it's a shopping list. So I see that they're building things in the shopping list. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. So first I'm gonna check to see if I can do their scripts here, if it comes over from me, because that's where the view is. That's how you do a Vue project. You just use that little script. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's see what happens. Script source equals HTTPS unplug. No, it doesn't say unplug. It says unpkg.com/view. All right. What else we got here? let me from my ability to make adjustments on the fly. Let's see what we got here. We don't need that. Alright, I'm just monitoring myself on the phone. Alright, so we got the script there. So I see that over here they're doing everything in this other script here. This is where all the view is. So the script that has the variable that has shopping list. Var shopping list. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to build this little program that I made. It's like a to-do list, but then it lets you like have random things in there. So that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, so let's just go ahead and continue with the script. What's this here? Alright, so in here, let's see what they're doing here. So there's a view object here with an element and some data. And I don't exactly remember what that does. So we're just gonna watch the video. How about that?
Vuejs is remarkably easy to start using. The easiest way to get started with it is to include Vue with regular HTML files using a CDN, just like you include jQuery. Just like that, we've added Vue to our site. Now let's create a div with the ID of shopping list where our Vue app will live. Inside, we can add an H1 saying, "Hi Vue." Right now, we haven't done anything with Vue just yet, so let's start using it. I'll create a new script tag under the Vue import. In here, we can create a new Vue instance and pass through a config object. Next, we'll need to tell the Vue instance where it should exist on the page. This is where that div we added earlier comes into play. We'll configure our Vue instance to use the shopping list ID we added earlier. Bada bing bada boom, Vue is now instantiated and we're ready to start using it.
Alright, so let's just do that.
Data on the page. We'll add a data property to our config object with a header property set to Vue is ready to party. The data property is where we can store data for our Vue instances to use. Don't worry too much about it now. We'll cover it in depth later. For now, let's get our header on the page using Vue's templating syntax, often called double mustache syntax. Ta-da! Our header is now on the page. One of the most exciting features of Vue is its reactivity system. Heck, that's probably what you're here for, so let's take a look at it. We can create an input field and use Vue's vModel directive to bind our header to the input to make sure the text in the input stays in sync with the header data. So when we change the input...
Alright, so I gotta take it easy sometimes. You don't want to get too ahead of yourself. So here we got a header, we got some stuff. Let's see, let's add an H1 here. Oh no, don't ruin that. Alright, so we got an H1 here. Let's see, let's add a header. That should work. No, it didn't. Alright, what else we got here? Alright, so perhaps this just doesn't work in CodePen, so I got a backup plan. Here we have another sandbox, and I've never used this one before. So let's see how this one works. I think this one should work though. This one definitely should work. Got these cool glasses. So we're gonna take the script here. We're gonna take the H1 too, but we're gonna take that one later. So we're gonna take the script. We're gonna move it over to the sandbox over here. You know, we're just learning on the fly. Oh, that looks great. What is that doing for me? All right, let's see. Oh, it has to be a capital V. Let's see if a capital V changes anything over here. No, it doesn't change anything. Alright. Oh, I didn't close it. I bet that's it. No, it's not. This is where I dropped out of college. When things don't work. And you work at it for a long time, but I'm not working that hard right now. Let's see what we can do here. This is the worst music ever on Apologize. Oh, look at that. So it's gonna work over here. Come on, don't do me like that. Okay, so I guess they're just going to want me to do all this in the actual JavaScript, which I don't want to do. Because I want to follow the lesson. Header is doing nothing. It's like when they bring you to the interview, you're like, oh yeah, we just want to see how you think. Well, how about you suck? Alright, so how far away are we from getting this to work? This is the worst beat ever. Let's get rid of this. Where is that Lush vibe? We're gonna do Lush. No, not that one. It's the wrong type of deep house. See that right there. There we go. You know we love anime beats. Alright, so my header hasn't popped up. It should have popped up. It should be quapped up. Should get mopped up. Mopped up, quapped up. Well, let's see. Make sure things are working. Alright, let's just save it. Like I said, I've never used this before, so I'm learning right now. Current what? Project view. Current module view. Who was the second person watching? It must probably just be me. Alright, that should be working for me. Header, H1, H1, H1. Header, party data. This is where things upset me. So let's just move this to, let's just get rid of all this. So don't do me like that. Do me like that. I had to come back with a new plan and a new scheme. Oh, look at that. I need to, Okay, I need to change some. I need to use my brain some. Change some, use my brain some, stay in my lane some. You're lame, son. Oh, okay. So we gotta switch the topic here. ID equals topic. Yeah. Definitely one step. 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 Do fun bet. They said this would be fun bet. ID shopping list. Shopping list. Shopping list. This is what coding looks like. What the hell am I doing? I don't know. Let's just keep going. Cool. Let's do it. Let's take these glasses off. Let's do it. Another thing that's really useful to do is go to CodePen. I'm just gonna save this. I mean, I know I haven't done anything, but we're gonna do a view demo. Another good thing to do is I do this all the time, man. This is like 101. This is like education 101, art 101. But they'll never tell you that it's art 101. So basically, let's just see what we can find. Let's just look for some view stuff. View, select template, view controlled wall. We want something real basic. Like, we could do this, let's do this view flicks one. This one looks like it's gonna be useful. Alright, always change my view, put the coding on one side so you can just kind of see what's going on. Let's see, we got array over here. Where's that view? Is that a new view? No, it's more array stuff. They're using const. What's the difference? Let's just call it var topic equals new view. We're gonna name this topic again. We'll go back over here. We're gonna name this topic again. View root app. Let's actually just call it like. Let's see if they ever use the word root app again. They never use that in the JavaScript, and they never use it again over here. So the name doesn't matter too much. Data return. Movie trailer templates. It's using templates. What the hell is a template? Maybe this is like view 2 or something. So I can't tell what the hell is going on here. And this is why I don't use front-end frameworks. Like, who wants to do this? I mean, I'm sure it's okay the first time. This is what coding was like when I first started. All I have it doing is saying header. H1 header. Alright, let's just keep going.
Value. We'll see our H1's content change instantly. Isn't that incredible? And it was so quick and easy to get going.
Oh yeah, you
Just
know,
imagine
it's
how
so
tricky that would
easy.
have been using vanilla.
topic. Change it to lowercase t. That's embarrassing. It better not be the case that you need a single quote. I would hate that. I would be so upset about that. I'd be so mad. Single, okay, that's not the, oh my god, that was the case. This is what coding is like. You see, how long have we been on here? Alright, so we got it here. So I could type anything here and say turkey sandwich with buffalo ranch. You can write anything. This is just me being facetious right now. Ooh, look at that. That's great. That's actually very awesome because that means things are working. I bet it'll work over here too in my old app that I was trying to do. Watch. Let's see. Let's go back to my things. So now that I know that they want single, I have single quotes here. All right, but I remember I need to have the had to have a div that has the class name. So that's just what we're gonna do. Div, and then we're gonna do class equals, what class did I use? Topic. No, we use ID. Sorry. ID equals topic. Right, and then we're gonna move this stuff in there. Look at that, it works. I'm so excited. Alright guys, this is my, it's working. It's so cool. Alright. Alright, let's draw a schematic real quick of what I want to do with, actually let's do it. We doing a big screen.
For JavaScript.
No.
Using J.
I'm gonna be giving this is like not good. I'm giving an app idea away, but it's for the culture, and plus nobody follows me, so. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so we need some shapes. Let's get a nice square here. So this is how I do my UI. Here's the app, right? Boom. So it's gonna, actually let's use a rounded square. Ooh, look at that app with the rounded square. That looks just like a phone, don't it? I know. Look just like a phone. Alright, so inside of that, I'll make the background. Let's make it what's the background color? Background color. Background color. No other. She got them udders. She got another man. I got other plans for my other girlfriend. I don't know how to do the colors, so I'm gonna do another square inside of here. It's a cool phone, right? Oh, there's the fill color. Great. Alright, so we're gonna do white, and then we're gonna do. I don't want this blue phone. Yeah, it's kind of ugly. Let's go with the. Ugh. Should be boring. Alright, so let's see. Text box. Figure it out. Figure it out. Alright, so here we got. This is the app that I'm making. I'm just gonna actually just give it away. I hate to do this, but like I said, everything's for the culture. All about the culture. What would be without culture? White. So let me just get rid of that. No. Alright. Just move it down a little bit. You know. Move it up, move it down. I don't know. That looks great, right? Alright, so let's make another little thing here. Look at that title bar. That's gonna be a title bar. I don't know, make it gray or something. Alright, you know, on your phone you got the title bar with the shapes and stuff. Just duplicate it. Bring the footer. I don't know what's in the footer of a phone, but I don't need to know. Let's add a button down here, you know. I use Android, so we're gonna stick to what we know. Yeah, hey, look at that. That's beautiful. Alright. And then in here, we're gonna do 2 squares. Let's just duplicate that square. Yeah. Alright, so here is going to be my topics, and here's going to be, the top one is going to be the to-do list. The to-do. Top's the to-do list. It's, you know, it's just things to do, things to don't. The thing, I just come up with these ideas so often that, like, I really shouldn't be showing it, but dude, like, I'm creative as hell. Here's a randomizer. Alright, so from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add, we wanna add like a little plus sign. There we go, a little plus sign, that's what we're looking for. A little plus sign, let's add 2 of those plus signs. Plus Y, wouldn't I? Plus Y, wouldn't I? Let's learn something real quick. How do you move this forward? Size and position. How do you move it forward? Let's move it forward. I don't see that option. Okay. I mean, there's always the option of just deleting it, but that's like hard coding. You don't want to do hard coding that often. You want your software to be dynamic so that it changes as you change. That's just my best way to describe it. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Cool, great, excellent. We're gonna make this smaller because it's just how I'm envisioning it. Let's just make it much smaller. Let's just make it real tiny, real chilly, real chillin'. So, So this is a new topic. New topic. New. Don't stop it. Don't stop rapping. All right. Ideally, I would do like the colors and stuff last. So that button creates a new topic. New topic. Dude, stop it. Alright, so when you click on this button, it's gonna create a modal. I already came up with this in my head, so this is why it's looking like it's easy, but don't think this is easy. Ain't nothing easy about this. And I make music, and I've been great with math, and I'm gonna tell you there ain't nothing easy about this. It's easy if you like doing it, but don't think it's easy. Alright, so here's a little modal here. Let's see, let's just do like a light green modal. I like them pastel colors. Actually, let's get a color scheme. Oh, look at that, we got one here. Let's use this blue here. I don't know how to do colors and code in Google Tools. Oh, custom, right? That's probably how you do it. Solid. There we go. Look at that. It's right there. Alright, cool. Look at that. So we got that blue. Let's just go straight for the purple. I like to do the dark colors as accents. I actually don't even like this color scheme. Look how boring that is. I guess it'll work. Alright, so let's do the button as purple. Button as purple. That doesn't look that great. But let's keep going. Keep going. Keep at it. Keep trucking. You could always group add. So I think that when it's not selected, the color is just going to be plain. And when it is selected, the color is going to be like a new color. Maybe the color will be purple and the button will be blue. Let's try to see how that looks. Actually, let's not even use purple. Let's use this little purple here. This little cute purple. Cool thing here I'm noticing is that when you add colors, it adds it to a swatch, and then your swatch right here. So let's just add the other color. 1, 2, 3, 4. The purple looks like pink over here. Alright, anyways. Alright, so that one is the first color. This is the third color. What color is this? This color is the second color. Alright, this isn't too bad. Yeah, we'll make the to-dos purple. Look how terrible that purple looks. Yeah, let's definitely get a new color scheme. I'm so apologetic about this. Ooh, this is a freaky color scheme. Actually, the over here would be the light purple, and down here would be the crazy purple. And you know what? We'll change the color later because I'm supposed to be coding, but this is all good for you. Go pen, go win, go in, always gonna win. That's just how I'm survive. Then I'm thrive. Then alive. Kin. I got the kendo stick. About to hit somebody in the head with the stick. Hit when I rip through, drip through, big moves. Shouldn't have let Vic through. I get it. Rap addict. It's kind of cool if you use opacity on your colors. Cool. Just use white there. White there. She said I'm white there. Alright. So maybe we'll use these colors later. I don't know, they're kind of crazy. Alright, so it's kind of cool that Google made this. They know that people are going to use this for UI. So let's see, let's do a little arrow game going. Arrow game, Pharaoh King. Yeah, look at that. That looks nice, right? So when you click that button, it brings up this modal. I'm gonna make it pink. Ooh, the pink looks nice. And here we're gonna have a new. No. Let's go with that all white. I do it all night. All white, yeah, and I do it all night. A little off white. Okay. What color? No. That's supposed to be pink. Look at that pink. Okay, let's get to the shapes. Yeah. Let's get to the quakes. I don't remember what's supposed to go here. Let's see what I should do. How do I get that full screen? You know I'm gonna watch this later to see what I did, because this is cool. Full screen. Where's full screen? Maybe it's there. Maybe it's here. I think I found it. Great. All right, so here we're just gonna have it so you can add a new topic. New topic. And in here it's just gonna say yada 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 yada. Blank 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 dot dot dot. Right, look at that, looks nice. So when you click on that, new topic comes up. Yada yada dot dot. Drop top. Blocks hot. Bot not a bot. Real man. Real angsty. Real versatile. Alright. It helps so much to have this diagram set up, because like it just makes the app itself. You don't have to make the app after this diagram's made. This is the app. You just gotta code it. You don't want to do both coding and UI at the same time. That is for crazy people. And I'm not even crazy enough to do that. I got some levels to me. Drop top. And the block's hot. And I'm never got facts. Okay, let's just say that that is our modal for the button. Can I type modal in here? That would be great. I love just UI and diagrams, man. This stuff's fun. I do not like the coding part though. Modal. I mean, I'll do the coding because it's like a challenge, but I don't really enjoy it. No, not at all. Not ever. Never. Never. Are you clever? Not more clever than me. Eating spaghetti noodles with pasta sauce. Alright, modal to create the new topic. Should we underline it? Why not? I don't think the underlining was necessary. Just get rid of the underline. Word. Alright, so once you got... That sucks, you can't even see it. Because the screen is too small. Alright, I guess that's good enough. Alright, so we got some new things. We got some new dreams. Not hoop dreams. It's not how it seems. Alright, so that was a lot of work right there. So I had to do a second one. And that is a diagram showing what happens after you make a... Geez, looks terrible. That was after you push a button. So, ready to learn with me? If you're here, you are. Alright, so this is gonna make the screen a lot bigger. I'm learning right now that you can just do that. And of course, you know, we're computer people, so we just grab everything and paste it. I learned some okay things in college because I had a really good computer science professor. He was excellent. I'll never lower his props. Damn, I gotta put 3 of them though. Yada 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 yada. Blah blah blah. What you even saying? Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. That's the baseline. Now, rhinoceros when I come with the horn. Rhinoceros when I come with the horns. I be having bad lines and I just stick with them because I'm like, oh man, it's bad or is it good? I don't know. Bad or good? Bad. No. Alright. Yeesh. So we're gonna need 3 of them. So these are different states. So let's say the new topic we added, let's give it a title. Let's say code. Coding. Let's Specifically, let's call it Vue.js coding. Vue.js coding. Spectacular. So wonderful. Alright, this is gonna be hard. I gotta grab this thing in here. How do I even get to it? Gotta grab this one. Missed it. Gotta grab from the bottom corner. Then grab the middle. Hiatus. Hi. How you doing? Yeah, I met somebody who really liked my music and I didn't know how to act. She was like very excited to meet me and she didn't even know me. She just heard my music for the first time and she was so excited and it's so weird to me when people like me. I don't know what to do. I'm so used to people not liking me. Or maybe it's just something I'm making up in my head. I don't know, but I don't know, man. Anyways, yeah. Bounce around, put it down, count it up. I'm gonna just have to round it up. I'm the sheep herder, eat murder. I'm the sheep herder, the beat murder. Leave it like it needs to be, like it needs to. Even Steven, Evil Knievel, Kennesaw Mountain. I'll be watching sun sets or the rise. All right, so I called it Vue.js coding. That's the new topic. Vue.js coding. You know what's interesting? I got an alternative thought about music. So like, music's great, but like the best music is like about talking about people negatively. How weird is that? Why are people so? Everybody's so bitter. I can't. I gotta exist in a realm where people like each other to make the type of music I want to make because I don't want to be bitter about people. I don't want to even be that type of person. So here's my first topic, Vue.js coding, and then here it's gonna let you create a new topic when you're ready, right? And it's gonna let you create infinite topics. You're just gonna have to, when you push on one of them, it's going to open a new to do and a new randomizer based off the topic that you have selected. So this topic selected, we need a topic selected color. Let's use, I don't know, let's try maybe darker blue. Let's just drop the tint, drop the whatever that thing does. That looks terrible. What goes with purple? Let's see. Let's get some more colors. Maybe that green goes with it. See how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Indeed, how it looks. I be reading them books. That looks awful. Alright, green it. Alright, let's just get this over with. Jeez. Alright. So over here we're gonna no. We're gonna take this guy. However I can pick this guy. If you got tips for me, let me know, cause you know I don't know how to do this stuff. I'm just messing around, figuring it out, making stuff worth selling, figuring out how to sell it, figuring out how to make a new direction. Alright, that is nice right there. Look at that. Let's get the alt blue back. You know, the away jersey. Let's get the away jersey background. I said away jersey, didn't I? That is not the away jersey. That's the opposite. We want the away jersey. Alright, there we go. Still away team, color scheme, color dream. Away team, color scheme. Scheming on a new plan. Why wouldn't I? What else would you do? Just let things happen? No. Alright. So alright. So now we're gonna bring this Vue.js coding one over here too, because that's what we got here, right? And then when you push this button, it's gonna create a new to-do list item. You see where this is going? And now here in the randomizer, which needs to be a brighter color. You see, I'm all about my colors. Maybe it should be bluer. I like darker blue. That looks fine. We're not gonna make any more adjustments to the colors. This is frustrating. Pew pew. All right. We're just gonna stick to how it looks right now. Cause I was just thinking I wanted to do like a gear. They probably have a shape for a gear. Yeah, like a gear. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. A little gear. Right? Of course. A gear, and then I wanted a delete button. So we gotta make a delete button. So we're gonna make the button over here, man, because I'm tired of dealing with overlaps. So let's see. Let's get a minus sign. First get a circle. Then we'll get a minus sign. Then we're gonna put it up in there. Put it up inside of that circle. Put that line in that circle. that line in that circle. I got a great move list, move scheme, hoop dreams, who listening, not me. Alright, so it's a little off balance. Looks like a video game character. Maybe it will become a video game character. I don't know. Ugh. More overlaps that I don't want. Alright, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to put our assets over here. We're going to make an assets area. This is so funny. Here, yeah, we're just going to, this is going to be an asset. I'm just going to say screw you guys. Alright, so here's my asset. Let's move that thing to the middle, right? Alright, look at that beautiful little asset. Let's put it over here and copy and paste it, move it around. I gotta be really careful of my face and the screen. Actually, we can move my face. We could move my face up here. Also move the screen up here. Or move the screen down here. I don't know. That's where the coding is gonna go. Alright. Alright, how cool is this? We got some assets. I got some buttons. Man. Let's go ahead and continue. We got here. We got another button. Got a little gear here, a little metal gear. If you're a real one, you know what I'm talking about. The moves look advanced, but they're oh so basic, oh so simple. I really like pastel colors. That is way too big to go there. Call him Gertrude. Ooh, look at that little button. Little button. Little nothing. I thought I made a copy of it. Made it sloppy, but like a cousin. Like a cousin. Eating brunch. Eating brunch. Speed racing. No need to leave. So everything of mine is gonna have I don't know. Everything of mine is gonna have a little button, maybe two buttons, maybe not, nothing. I'm good, baby girl. I'm good. I'm gonna just move on. I'm gonna just learn how to do my best dance moves. Learn how to stand in a crowd outside. I'm wide awake. I'll die. Alright. Here we go. Look at that. Man, I'm taking my time, ain't I? I should already be done with this. Damn. I'm committed to making sure that it looks nice, great. Ooh. Oh, look at this. I got some job opportunities in my inbox. Hit the email. Check the DMs when you see him. I don't know. I'm just never gotta pretend. I be talking all reckless, all knocking off my checklist. Here is my checklist. Eat it for breakfast. Break dancing in the middle of the crowd. Wow. Alright. Whoa. Dancing in the middle of the crowd. Crowd. Family. Man. Can I be? Can I be? I don't know about that one. Man, look how much work I'm putting in right now. Alright. So from here, we're gonna do this again. Look at that one. Looks very nice. Looks fair and righteous. Alright, so top right corner means it's gonna be, you don't want that to be upside down. Flip him around. Flip him upside down like Muggsy Bogues. I'm like Muggsy Bogues. I'm like Spud Webb. I'm like Spud Webb. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So, you know what? We're not going to have a button here. We're going to do this one. It's going to start like, we are going to have a button. We're just going to move it down. I'm telling y'all, this is the whole process right here. Ugh. It's all a game. It's all like the same. Every time I look around, they be all playing. But I'm in the master of the game, so I'm never gonna change. Never gonna switch up my lane. No. Alright. How did that get over there? How did I get 2 arrows? How did I get 2 arrows? She be acting too narrow. Like she a nun or something. Nah, she could leave me with that one. Alright, so we're not gonna use a plus, like we're really just not gonna use a plus sign. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have check boxes, right? And when We're gonna have check boxes. I'm gonna do my thing in notches. Alright, let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that one. There's gonna be no modal for this one. Alright, so what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna add a text box here. Let's just put 3 dots on there. Done. So let's say you come up with something to put there, right? This one would be fine to just type and do an underline. Yeah, this one would be cool to just type and do an underline. So what's your step 1 for Vue.js coding? It's gonna be oh, I should have kept that arrow. Let's see. Step 1 is gonna be come up with an idea, come up with something to make. Let's call it project idea. That's step 1. What's gonna happen is when you type in here, it's just gonna add a new one. You're gonna type in there, it's gonna add a new one. When you click in there, it's gonna create a new one. Yeah, that's what it's gonna do. And here the randomizer, it's so crazy how everything's about money, man. Like, it's not about skill, it's about, it's a silly way of things to be, because you can lie your way into money, you can steal your way into money. Lying and stealing is pretty easy. Like, who'd want to be a liar or a stealer? I don't know, not me. Anyways, so got the randomizer here. What we gonna do? We gonna copy all these modes, put them to the right side. Yeah, but I'm quite tired. No. It's a bumping coding session, ain't it? Got the beats going. I'm talking shit, man. Alright, I'm pissed. Alright, so actually it's only gonna need 2 diagrams. That is awesome. That's coding, and I'm quoting. It's a lot of it's all about money, and it's all about throwing the guy that you say is your friend. You throw him under the bus. That's how you get ahead. Right? How terrible. You act like you're his friend and you throw him under the bus. Hustle 101. Enjoy. Come on, fam. I just want to click on that box. I just want to click on that box. I don't want the mode to be selected. Dang, I remember one time I was real young and I was listening to I think it was Peaches and Cream. Wow, that just came to my head. How random. I'm thinking of the first time I heard it. I was just in like the streets somewhere. I was at somebody's. It's at a house with my mom somewhere. All right, new randomizer, new random. What we gonna call it? New random. New random. Selection. New random option. New option. We'll call it new option. Alright. New option. New topic. New option. That's all I need in my life is new topics and new options. New topics, new options, new profits. New option. Let's do I don't know. Let's like, what would help you code better? What would help you get better at Vue? Like, let's say, watch Vic Rose, watch Transparency on YouTube, watch Transparency Tuts. Yay, let's do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna move that. Move that dope. I'm gonna move that dope. I'm gonna go and promote myself on the screen. Oh shoot, you can just put words in the box. Oh, that's fascinating. I can just type. Oh no, no, no. Let's just delete it. Dar, she blows. Come on, don't do me like that. Well, oh well, it's still kind of cool that you can type right into there. That makes it one less step that I've been doing. Shouts out to Google for making this. Thanks, Google. Yo, we'll put a black top. Black top. I'll be in the trap spot. I don't be in the trap spot. Wow, that's awesome. There it is. There's my whole app. That's the new one I'm making. Let's see what else I gotta do here. This is how my brain really works, y'all. Everything is happening. The random rapping that doesn't make sense. All kind of crazy words. Sayonara, Siamese twins. That's my kin. Folks be quoting and promoting. Man, I just want to move that over. Move that over. Move to the other side. Other side of the wide open. No. Sure, gonna move. Alright, let's just make a smaller size one of this. How about that? That's a lot easier. I would like to get money from this and move back to Atlanta. That's what I would like to do. Or move somewhere else. I don't know. Atlanta's not the only place that exists, but And each one of these is gonna have, I'm gonna call it tools. Well, that doesn't have tools yet because it doesn't exist. You might even make it smaller. Woo! Look at that. That's how an app should look. That's how a rap should sound. That's how it actually looks. Let's see. Getting real messy. So I need to add another one here. Not sure what you gonna do. Weird. Why would you wanna date and control me? I'm about 4D, like I'm 4D. Um, let's. I don't know. See, this is the fun part. Nothing really matters except it matters the most because that's what you're making. So don't lie or man, this is frustrating. I guess this is helpful though. I could just delete all this. Option two. That's what we're gonna call it. Option two. That's cool. So I can get rid of the text box, and I could just. That's sweet. All right, I'm learning. Text boxes are terrible. What? They're not terrible. I just make them smaller. Like I could literally just make this text box smaller, and then stop having problems. Sometimes your problem is just so simple, and you'll never figure it out. The solution you're looking for. The difference between figuring it out is the difference between a lot of things for you. You just don't figure it out. And then you go back to work, you know, it sucks. Like, oh man, I'm just not a smart person. I'm just not that cool. I don't deserve to live my life the way. But it's like, look at that. All I had to do is move the box around. Get out my way. Alright, sweet. Meats. Rapping and singing on beats. Never been discreet. Well, always been discreet. Yeah, yeah. Look at those buttons. Woo! You don't even need the gear. I'm not gonna have options for the buttons. Not gonna have them. Not gonna unravel me. I'm a traveling guitar luthier. Alright. No. So I didn't do this side, I guess. Woo, this is causing some brain issues right now. Alright. Let's just get back to it. So same thing, say you click new topic right here, it will make a new topic. Alright, real talk, that's about all that's going on here. and I'm sleepy. Alright, so on top of here, we're gonna do a vector here. No, that's not what I'm looking for. That's not either. We're gonna make a line, arrow. Come on, what's that? What's that button do? Not what I thought. Let's do arrow. Okay, so you can't write into those. Alright. Oh, I see. That's just a movement tool. Alright, so now we're gonna get into how I design the actual schematic for the code. So this right here, let's call this option array. That's option array. And if we're doing it in JavaScript, we do var option array, or if you want to be an elitist, you can do const option array. If you have never wanted anything in life and you want to try to feel better about yourself, then use const. And also make sure you make people feel bad about using var. Alright, so there is my array. That array is going to have, let's see, so next part for me in my coding process is figuring out what these buttons do. What method is that calling? So that's going to call something called new topic. That's what we're going to name it. We're going to call new topic. And what's going to be the code there? I don't know. New topic. Alright, let's see what we got here. You gotta think which parts are reactive, which parts are not reactive. So I don't know how Vue works that well, so I don't know how to continue with this. So let me think. Each time we click on that, it's gonna create a new div. New topic. Alright, this is where this show ends today, guys. Look at that. We got pretty far. Wasn't that fun? It was for me. Sweet. See ya. Subscribe to this is on Vic Rose Music, so subscribe to Vic Rose Music, and maybe you can download my Freestyle King app. Also download the Dojo music teaching app. That's a super simple app. I should make a tutorial of how I'm making that one next. That one's super easy. So, I guess that's all my shout outs. New music coming, new games based on music. Musical games are coming, and yeah, that's it. See ya.